Next question. Is the composition root testable? Or how can I test the composition root? Yes, it is testable. It is just code.
Right.
There's code, you can test it. So there are different strategies for testing your app composition. For example, black box UI testing is a strategy. So you can validate the behavior through the UI, which proves that your composition works. The problem is that that's slow and flaky. You need to boot the application, press buttons, wait for animations, wait for services. That can take a lot of time. So that's a costly strategy.
Yes, it's a very expensive strategy since you have to actually run the application. So the more features you have, the more screens you have, the more time it will take. And at some point, it can take that much time that it might become unsustainable.
Even worse if your application is talking to some undeterministic services, like some backend service, which would force your application to run the tests with internet connection, make sure that the external system is in the right state, and also that you have connectivity with the backend server. So a different strategy would be to test it with simple unit or integration tests.
Mm-hmm.
For example, instantiating your composition and testing the behavior directly by talking to the components and asserting what you expect.
Right.
For example, some side effects or some responses without even running the app. You can just instantiate your composition and interact with it directly with unit or integration tests. So yes, composition root is testable.